Assalamu alaikum all the listeners. It's Naveed Speaks and today we will discuss some types of governments in the world. So we start from democracy. The word democracy originates from two Greek words demos meaning the whole citizens living in a particular city and kratos meaning power or rule. So democracy means a form of government in which whole citizens or eligible citizens rule over the state or they decide that who will rule the state. There are two common types of democracy. In representative democracy, representatives are elected by the people to run the government. Pakistan is a representative democracy. In constitutional democracy, a constitution decides that who will represent the people. Pakistan is also a constitutional democracy. For example, it is written in the constitution that a citizen whose age is less than 18 years cannot vote. Another form of government is kingdomship. Kingdom is a form of government in which a king or queen rule over the territory or state. King or queen may possess absolute power in decision making or they have only symbolic or ceremonial role. For example, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is absolute kingdom and king makes all the decisions. On the other hand, United Kingdom is a symbolic kingdom. Queen has symbolic role and decisions are made by democratically elected representatives. An absolute kingdom is also called monarchy. A single family who enjoys absolute kingdomship over a territory for a certain period of time is called dynasty. For example, Ottoman dynasty ruled over Ottoman Empire for about 600 years. A government led by the religious leaders is called theocracy. Examples of theocracy are Islamic Republic of Iran, where supreme leader, who is called Rahbar-e-Ala, has a final say on all matters. He is a top-ranked religious leader of the country. Iran is a theocratic presidential democracy and president is elected through a democratic process. Vatican City is also a theocratic government. Communism is a centralized form of government led by a single party that is often authoritarian in its rule. This system is inspired by German philosopher Karl Marx. The Soviet Union was a one-party communist state from 1922 to 1991. Socialism is based upon cooperation among the citizens. All citizens commonly own the resources of the state. The Scandinavian countries like Denmark, Sweden and Finland have socialist system. A military dictatorship is a nation ruled by a single authority. The dictators usually lead the nation's armed forces and use it to establish their own law and order and suppress the constitution. Pakistan went under military dictatorship several times in its history. Countries in Southeast Asia, Thailand and Myanmar are some examples of military rule. And that's all from today's video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.